Hi everyone! Good morning. This is a 2014 Toyota Alphard. The problem is the dashboard. It's very sticky already. Like those also in Land Rover, the old Camry, and many more. So we just remove it already, and I'm going to show you the current situation with the dashboard before we're going to reupholster it. This is the situation right now on the dashboard. It's like the rubber melt and very sticky. After the upholster, we'll post the before and after we do the leather, because the first stage we're going to do on this one, we're really going to scrape all the rubber until this is barely on plastic before we're going to put the new upholstery. And before I forgot, we also here have the Lexus LX470. The problem with this one is, I'll show you. The screen, it's like it's burned already. As you can see closely. It still function. Ouch. Still function. But you can see the defect. We're going to replace the LCD screen. By the way, we can repair almost all types of vehicle, like the normal, like the Explorer, the LC200, the Range Rover. Almost depends on the unit. We can replace the screen to a new one. We'll post videos before and after. So always stay tuned here at PRS. Bye! Okay, we already replaced the busted screen on this Lexus. As you can see, now it's already very clear. And everything is functionable back already. Okay. If you have problem with your LCD monitor on your head unit, feel free to message me. We can fix the problem. Bye. Okay, we're done replacing the defect dashboard and we reupholster it. This is the final product. Check it out. No more sticky. So it's very clean already. If you're interested with our product, feel free to message me. We reupholster any. Like this seats also on the driver's side. We replace because the, as you all know, come out in and out, like on this part, it's get defective. So we already fixed this one, this side. Okay, feel free to message me. See you here at PRS. Bye.